With winter just around the corner, we all know what that means. Driving is about to get a whole lot trickier. Those snowy, icy roads can turn a simple drive into a white-knuckle experience. But what if I told you that choosing the right tire could be the single most important decision you make for your safety this winter? Today, we're re-diving into the latest Consumer Reports review to uncover the absolute best winter tires that dominate in cold, snow, and ice. So, let's get right to it. Topping the charts is a name you might know, the Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5. This tire is a true winter warrior. What makes it so special? It features unique Arctic grip crystals embedded right into the tread. Think of them as microscopic studs that bite into the ice, giving you phenomenal traction when you need it most. Plus, it's designed to be quiet, which is a huge bonus for those long, chilly road trips. No more constant road hum, just a smooth, secure ride. Next up, we have the Continental VikingContact 7. This tire is all about flexibility, and I mean that literally. Its special rubber compound stays soft and grippy, even in extremely frigid temperatures where other tires might stiffen up and lose traction. The tread pattern is a masterpiece of engineering, designed to aggressively channel slush and water away from the tire. This drastically reduces the risk of hydroplaning or slipping, keeping your car feeling planted and stable on wet, messy roads. And we can't talk about top-tier tires without mentioning the Michelin X-Ice Snow. This studless winter tire is the perfect blend of high performance and everyday comfort. Its advanced winter compound remains pliable in the deepest cold, while its fold-up 3D sipes those are the tiny cuts in the tread. Blocks provide relentless grip that lasts as the tire wears. It's also designed for low noise and reduced rolling resistance, which can even help with fuel efficiency. This makes it a fantastic choice for your daily commute through winter's worst. Now, you might be thinking, I only get a little bit of snow where I live, even if you only face occasional snow or freezing conditions. Switching to a dedicated winter tire can make a world of difference for your safety. When you're shopping, look for the three-peak mountain snowflake symbol on the tire's sidewall. That's your certified guarantee that it meets stringent winter performance standards. Of course, great tires are just one piece of the puzzle. Always remember the fundamentals of safe winter driving. Slow down, leave plenty of space between you and the car ahead, and be smooth with your steering, braking, and acceleration. Let the conditions dictate your speed. By equipping your car with a set of high-quality winter tires, you're not just buying rubber, you're investing in peace of mind. You'll be able to face this season with a new level of confidence, knowing you have the best possible grip under your wheels. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more car care and safety tips. Stay safe out there and drive confidently this winter.